Hi everyone, this is Phil from Maintain Moto, taking a look today at how to get quick started on the Moto Tracker software. You've already done your login and you want to put in your first motorcycle or car. So let's get right to it. If I go to my fleet, I will say I want to add my first vehicle. We're going to add a motorcycle this morning, and it's a 2018 BMW K1600 GT. And I'm going to say that the current odometer reading is 52,123 miles. The trick here to make it easy is to mark all maintenance current. I'll show you why in a minute. I don't have to do anything else at this point. I don't have to add the VIN or the license, nothing. All I need to do now is register the vehicle, and it's going to go create the record for me for a 2018 BMW K1600 GT. If I click on that, it's going to go in and create the service records that are required, or the maintenance upcoming that's going to be required upcoming. But it's also gone in and said, okay, everything up to 52,000 miles has been completed, and it's been completed with today's date and today's mileage on it. Now, you can go in at your leisure later and say, okay, I want to get a complete record of everything. So I could say this was actually done, I don't know, a couple of years ago. Let's say in 2022. I'm sure it didn't take that long, but let's pick a date. And the mileage at that time was only 650. And it cost me $300. I can attach my PDF or photo, anything else of any notes. I can say who did it, the dealer, maybe it was GoAZ, and I'll save those changes. What's going to happen is it's going to take that service record now, which is now a detailed service record, and it's going to put it at the bottom because it is the oldest service record in here. And it's going to now update my total maintenance cost to date. You may not want to know how much you've spent on your bike, but if you put those dollars in, it will tell you. And then back to my maintenance schedule, this is just showing me everything that's rolling forward. I don't have to do anything else. I'm pretty much done at this point.